Install the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Android app from the link in the comment section below. It contains notes, calculators, dictionary, formulas and quiz and much more. So install the app now. In this video we will see an example on Phasors. Question: evaluate the following complex numbers. So this is the problem given and we have to simplify this. Solution: let's say let z is equal to this value. We have to simplify this. So here we have to first divide this numerator and denominator. So here these are in rectangular form, but we need this in polar form because we know that multiplication and division are better performed in polar form. So we will convert this rectangular form to polar form. Z is equal to x plus jy. This form is called as rectangular form. Currently it is in this form, rectangular form, and z is equal to r at an angle phi. This is called as polar form. Now we have to convert this rectangular form to polar form. That means we need r, and r is equal to under root of x square plus y square, and this phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. So here 2 plus j3 is given, 2 plus j3. We need this in r at an angle phi form. So r is equal to under root of x square plus y square. X square plus y square at an angle phi is tan inverse of y by x. Tan inverse of y by x. So this 2 is the value of x, 3 is the value of y. So under root of x square is 2 square, y square is 3 square at an angle tan inverse of y by x. The value of y is 3 and the value of x is 2. So this will be under root of 2 square plus 3 square. So it is 3.60 at an angle tan inverse of 3 by 2, 56.30 degree. Now this is in polar form. So this 3 plus 2 plus j3 is equal to this value. Now next is 1 minus j6. So 1 minus j6 is equal to under root of x square. So 1 square plus minus 6 square at an angle tan inverse of minus 6 by 1. So this will be under root of 1 square plus minus 6 square. So it is 6.08. 6.08 at an angle tan inverse of minus 6 by 1 minus 80.53 minus 80.53 degree 1 minus j6. Again this is in polar form. Then next is 7 minus j8. 7 minus j8 is equal to under root of 7 square plus minus 8 square at an angle tan inverse of minus 8 by 7 under root of 7 square plus minus 8 square 10.63 10.63 at an angle tan inverse of minus 8 by 7 minus 48.81 degree. So 7 minus j8. This is in polar form again. Then next is minus 5 plus j11. Minus 5 plus j11 is equal to under root of minus 5 square plus 11 square at an angle tan inverse of 11 by minus 5. 11 by minus 5. Here we can see here the real part is negative. So when the real part is negative, that time we add 180 degree to it. Here we can write since real part is negative. So now this will be simplified as under root of minus 5 square plus 11 square. So it is 12.08 at an angle tan inverse of 11 by minus 5 bracket close, then plus 180 degree. So plus 180, it is 114.44 114.44 degree. So minus 5 plus j11 is equal to this. This is in polar form again. Now we got all the values in polar form. So this can be written as we can replace this 2 plus j3 with 3.60. Let's copy this from here directly. Divided by 1 minus j6. So 1 minus j6 in polar form is this value. Then plus 7 minus j8. 7 minus j8 is this value. Minus 5 plus j11 is this value. Now we can easily simplify this. So this will be 3.60 divided by 6.08. 6.08 So it is 0.592. 0.592 at an angle. This will be 56.30 degree minus 80.53. So when we perform division, that time these angles will be subtracted, numerator minus denominator. Then this will be plus 10.63, 10.63 divided by 12.08, 0.879, 0.879 at an angle minus 48.81 minus 114.44. So this will be now 0.52592, 0.592 at an angle. This is 56.30 minus 80.53. 56.30 minus 80.53. So it is 136.83. 136.83 degree plus 0.879 at an angle minus 48.81 minus 48.81 minus 114.44. So this is minus 163.25, minus 163.25 degree. Now here again these are in polar form, and we know that addition, we have to perform addition. So we know that addition and subtraction are better performed in rectangular form. So we have to convert this polar form to rectangular form. It is 0.5. First we will see how we can convert polar form to rectangular form. Polar form to rectangular form. So polar form is given as z is equal to r at an angle phi. This is called polar form. And z is equal to x plus jy. This is called as rectangular form. So we need the value of x and y. So x is equal to r cos phi and y is equal to r sin phi. So first we have to convert this. Let's copy this from here. We need this value in x plus jy form. So the value of x is r cos phi plus j. The value of y is r sin phi. We can take this r common. So r cos phi plus j sin phi. So let's put the value of r. Here we can see this is the value of r and this is the value of phi. So r value is 0.592. 0.592 cos phi value is 136.83 plus j sin 136.83 degree. So we can solve this in calculator directly. 0.592 bracket cos 136.83 plus j sin 136.83. So this is equal to this value minus 0.431 minus 0.431, then plus 0.405 j. So this is in rectangular form. So therefore this is equal to this value in rectangular form. Now next is this value. So let's copy this from here. We need this in rectangular form. So again the formula will be r cos phi plus j sin phi. And here the value of r is, this is the value of r and this is the value of phi. So this will be 0.879 cos phi value is minus 163.25 plus j sin minus 163.25 degree. Bracket close. So let's solve this in calculator. So it will be 0.879 bracket cos minus 163.25 plus I into sin minus 163.25 bracket close. So this will be minus 0.841, then minus 0.253 j. So this is the rectangular form. And this is the answer for rectangular form for this value. Now we got both the polar form in rectangular form. So therefore this z is equal to, this is the value of z we are considering. Here we can see z is equal to this, and when we simplified this, so we got this value. Now we will further simplify this. So let's copy this from here. So it is equal to 0.592. The 0.592 can be replaced by this value in rectangular form. So copy this from here. Then plus, now this polar form again 0.879 this value. So it can be replaced by this value. So let's copy this from here and paste it here. And this will be in bracket. Now we can easily simplify this. We have to add the real part first and then add the imaginary part. So here the real parts are minus 0.431, then minus 0.841, minus 0.431 minus 0.841. So this is 1 point minus 1.272 minus 1.272. Then we have to add the imaginary part. So the imaginary parts are 0.405, 0.405, then minus 0.253. This is the imaginary part. So it is 0.152. 0.152. We have to add this j as it is 0.152. So this is the answer for z in rectangular form. So we can write this is equal to this value. We can also convert this into its equivalent polar form. First, let's verify our answer in calculator. So here we can write 2 plus I into 3 divided by 1 minus I into 6, then plus 7 minus I into 8 divided by minus 5 plus I into 11. So it is minus 1.27. So here we can see we got the same answer, minus 1.27, then plus, so plus 0.151, 0.152, which is approximately same, j. So hence our answer is correct. So this is the final answer in rectangular form. We can further simplify this answer or convert this answer into its equivalent polar form. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.